Hi everyone, welcome back to my Oracle SQL series. In this video, let's understand what is Oracle database and the history of Oracle database. So, Oracle database is a software used to store, organize and manage large amount of data. So, it is one of the most powerful relational database management system and also called RDBMS. Okay, it is developed by Oracle Corporation, a well-known software company. So, Oracle database uses SQL, which is known as structured query language, which work with data. Okay. So, Oracle was created by Larry Ellison and his friends Bob Miner and idiots in the year of 1977 at Software Development Laboratories, which is known as SDL. Okay. Later, the company name changed to Oracle Corporation. So, coming to history of Oracle database, let's talk about history of Oracle database. So, Oracle database did not just appear suddenly. It has a long journey that started many years ago. So, everything started in the year 1977. Three friends, Larry Ellison, Bob Miner, and Edie Woods, started a small company and they called it Software Development Laboratories, known as SDL. Okay. In 1979, they created their first working database software and they named it Oracle version 2. There was no version 1 because they wanted people to believe their product was already tested and stable. So, this version was special because it was the first commercial database. Okay, that supports SQL, structured query language. In 1982, as their product became more popular, they changed the company name from SDL to Oracle Corporation. From this point, Oracle started growing rapidly in the software industry. Okay, Oracle version 3 was released in 1983 and it was completely rewritten in C programming language. Because of this, the software became faster and it will run on many computer systems. In 1988, Oracle released version 6, which introduced PLSQL. Okay, it allowed users to write programs and perform more complex operation inside the database. In 1992, Oracle 7 was released. This version added more advanced features like triggers, stored procedures, and better security. Okay, it became very popular among businesses and government organizations. In 1999, Oracle launched Oracle 8i, where the I stands for Internet. Okay, this version was designed to support internet based applications. It is a big step for Oracle towards web technology. Okay, then came Oracle 10G in 2003. Okay, so where the letter G stands for grid computing. This version allowed many computers to work together like a one big system, making data handling faster and more efficient. G stands for grid computing. In 2007, Oracle released 11G, which introduced automatic management and better performance for tuning features. Okay. In 2013, Oracle Database released 12C. The C stands for cloud. This was Oracle's first cloud database. Okay. It also introduced a new architecture called multi-tenant, which allowed one database to contain multiple smaller databases. In 2018 and 19, Oracle 18C introduced the concept of an autonomous database, which means the database could be managed itself like a self-driving car. Okay. And later, Oracle 19C came in 2019 and it became one of the most stable and widely used versions. Okay. Even today, many big companies uses Oracle 19C for their important data. Today, Oracle is one of the most trusted database used all over the world. That's the complete history of Oracle database, right? From a small idea in 1977 to a global technology, right? Oracle has truly changed the world of data. Okay, that's the introduction and history of Oracle database. Thanks for watching.